Welcome to our channel. Today we how to access ESPN Plus via the Disney bundle, streaming walkthrough step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to Disney Plus. Click Login if you already have the Disney bundle, or click Sign Up if you need to purchase it. If you are signing up, choose the Disney bundle plan that includes ESPN Plus and complete the payment steps. After you log in, go to your account or profile settings on Disney Plus to confirm your subscription is active. In the account area, look for a section like Subscriptions or Billing Details to verify ESPN Plus is included. Now open a new tab and visit ESPN Plus. To access ESPN Plus directly. Click Login on ESPN and choose the option to log in with Disney or Disney bundle credentials. Enter the same email and password you used for the Disney bundle to link your access. If prompted, approve account linking so ESPN Plus can recognize your bundle entitlement. On a mobile device, install the ESPN app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the ESPN app and tap Settings or the profile icon to find the login option. Select Login and choose Continue with Disney or Log in with Disney account. Type your Disney bundle email and password, then complete any verification prompts. Once logged in, tap the ESPN Plus tab in the app to confirm the ESPN Plus badge is available. Try playing an ESPN Plus labeled video to make sure it starts without asking for payment. On a smart TV or streaming device, install the ESPN app from the App Store on that device. Launch the ESPN app and choose Login to begin the activation process. If you see an activation code, go to ESPN.com/activate on your phone or computer. Enter the activation code shown on the TV and continue to the sign-in page. Sign in using the Disney account connected to your Disney bundle to complete activation. Return to the TV app and open the ESPN Plus section to confirm content is unlocked. If you are asked to subscribe again, double-check you used the same email as your bundle account. If access still fails, log out of the ESPN app and log back in using the Disney login option. Also try clearing the app cache or reinstalling the ESPN app to refresh the entitlement. If you manage multiple Disney profiles, confirm you are using the correct primary account email for billing. Check for service outages by visiting ESPN Help or Disney Plus Help if nothing loads across devices. For billing-related issues, use the Manage Subscription link in your Disney account to verify the bundle is not paused or expired. Once everything works, add your favorite leagues and teams in ESPN to personalize your ESPN Plus home feed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.